There's another very big hot topic that is in the news every other week, and it's concerning racial bias with computer vision. Is the facial recognition able to tell a certain different type of person's of skin color better than others, and how does that affect the decision-making process? What do you think about that?
Yeah, it's definitely a real concern for the industry. And I alluded to it earlier. If you have biased data coming in that you train your algorithm with, then the output is going to also be biased. So it's not that the companies or the teams or that the technology is biased at all, or even the people using it are biased. It is that if you don't have the right data to train those algorithms with, right meaning properly balanced, a diversified set of data from ethnicities from all around the world, then you're going to have, these issues. And, I know from 2018 to now, the entire industry has significantly reduced that bias, but it still does exist. And so, I think that is part of the regulatory effort here. There needs to be a benchmark, and I believe NIST is doing it now, but there needs to be a benchmark in which you pass as a company that states that, you have limited bias or as limited as you can get to be able to run this technology with law enforcement. So you don't run into that concern as much with something like access control or opt-in technology. I mean, again, you've got to think about those pillars that we talked about at the beginning of the conversation. This is only one of them. This is the non-opt-in surveillance type of facial recognition. When you have the opt-in public and private or opt-in digital and physical, you're not really as concerned with that because you're matching one to one.